Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java programming language step by step. Begin by installing the JDK and setting up an IDE like IntelliJ or VS Code, then create a simple Hello World project to test your setup. Focus on core concepts first: variables, control flow, methods, and classes, then practice with small projects and coding challenges. Keep a consistent schedule and review concepts regularly to build confidence. In this video, I will explain how to learn Java programming language step by step. Next, dive into core concepts by studying syntax, data types, and control flow structures like if, switch, and loops. Spend time learning object-oriented principles, classes, objects, inheritance, and interfaces while practicing small examples. Write methods and manage scope clearly, and use exceptions for error handling. Regularly revisit these fundamentals to ensure a strong foundation for building projects. In this video, I will explain how to learn Java programming language step by step. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It listens to voice control and frees up time you can spend coding instead of sweeping. It's a small productivity win that keeps your workspace tidy between study sessions. If you like helpful tips, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to learn Java programming language step by step. Then focus on hands-on practice by building small projects such as a to-do app or calculator to apply what you learn. Use Git for version control and push code to GitHub to track progress and gain feedback. Incorporate unit tests and learn to use a debugger to diagnose problems quickly. Pair practice with reading documentation and solving coding problems daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.